This will be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. This is actually the first time I've seen the actual shipping box to be a Samsung box. Usually it's just a generic box or whatever. And then inside that box is the Samsung box. But now the actual shipping box, as you can see with the battery warning label there, is from Samsung right there. So that's kind of cool. So I opened it up and then I have this thank you card here. So pause the video if you want to check that out, and then cute picture right there. Throw that to the side, and then in here we have the nothing else in this, so throw that to the side. Actually, let me get this out the way and put it on the ground somewhere. And then here we go. This is the Z Flip, so you can see in this little tray kind of thing. Kind of similar to an iPhone kind of experience, I guess, or iPhone box, how they do it like this too, right? All right, get rid of this too. Throw that to the side on the ground. And then here we go. So you can see, Z Flip. Check out the Z right there. And then over here it says Samsung Galaxy Flip. Nothing on top and nothing here. And here are some specs and stuff on the bottom. I'm gonna get in here. Pause the video if you wanna check that out. Tape, which I'm about to cut right meow. And then do the same thing here too. Flip this open. I know, right? Flip. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And here we go. Oh, what does it say? The future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip. I'm gonna get in here. Pause the video if you want to read that. Throw that to the side. And then got a little warning label here. Let's check this out. This says care instruction. And then all that. So pause the video if you want to read that also. Oh, look at that. And that says, what does that say? When using a wireless charger, fold the device and place the center of the device's back on the center of the wireless charger. So basically the center of the backside, which is this bottom part. That to the side for now. And then what is this? Galaxy Z Premier service. Check that out. Nothing on that side. Throw that to the side. And then here we have your USB brick. Is this the new 25 watt one? I don't think so. I think this is like the old one. It's like 11 watt or something. Okay, what do we get in here? This one, I guess, is a little adapter. Yeah, you can see in there. Little adapter to switch your data from a different phone. And then here you have your AK. No, this is the USB C to C cable. Okay, that's USB. I'm not gonna take it out, but you know what that is. And then this is the AKG headphones. As you can see, not taking it out. Everybody knows what that looks like. Empty box. All right, cool. Let's do this. And trying to be careful with this. Oh, here we go, right. And then now you kind of undo it. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Woo! I love it, man. I love it. Okay, gotta not undo it, but kind of redo it like this. Now try to be careful with the plastics now. I don't know, just want to be careful with it. Check out the crease. There you go. And then how does the screen feel to the touch? You know, compared to my Note 10, I mean, this definitely feels like gloss. This one, yeah, this does not feel like glass to me. This is definitely a little bit more of a plasticky kind of feel? And then the fold. There's the fold. Now, how does it feel? That's the first time I did it. How does that feel? Well, initial impressions is that it feels very solid. It does not feel flimsy at all. And you can hold the fold to a different variety of angles, as you can see. This is completely flat. And then let's see. There you go. You can hold it like that. Hold it like that. That's more of a 90 degree. And then for whatever reason, if you want to hold it like this, it'll stay. Most people will probably have it like this, right? My female viewers, if you're doing your makeup, there you go, have some sort of mirror app and use your phone as a, you know, to help you with your makeup or whatever. There you go, you can do that. But yeah, no, the fold, yeah, this feels solid. Does not feel cheap at all or flimsy or anything. There you go. Now, with practice, I can probably try to do this with one hand. And then let's say I receive a call. Yeah, it's doable with one hand, like back in the day with like the original razor. Let's see. Yeah, with practice, you can do that one-handed. I'll turn this on. Let's see, where's the power button? Here it is. Turn this bad chicken on. Hopefully that's charged. Yes, it does. zflip, as that's booting up. Let's take a look at the device. This is your SIM tray right here, as you can see. And then let's see, this is clean right here. Over here you have your USB Type-C mic and a speaker, some antenna lines there.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
All right, give me a second. Let me just go over the device real quick. Power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner, so you can see. And then volume rocker here. Antenna line, I think, right there. Antenna line also here on my left thumb. And then on top, you have your microphone there. And then flipping this device over, you can see we have the camera module right there, flash, and a little 1-inch or 1.1-inch little OLED display right there. Though I will say I gotta kind of wish that they went with a bigger display here, kind of like their new Razer 2020, right? But that's all right. It says Samsung right there. All right, let's go ahead and go through the phone real quick. Let's go English.
Terms and conditions.
Terms and condition.
Agree to these,
Blah, blah, blah.
get going.
All right. I'm gonna turn that voice off because it's kind of annoying. Terms and condition, yes. Privacy policy, yes. Sending of diagnostic data, I will not click on that. And then next. Choose my Wi-Fi. Enter my password. Connected to Wi-Fi, I'll click next. Activate your device. Registering device with the network. I don't have a SIM in this right now, so let's see. No. All right. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Just want to start from scratch here. Just a sec. Checking info, and then we're gonna skip this Google stuff for now. Skip everything. Yeah, skip. Google services, let's see. I'm gonna uncheck all this just cause. All right, accept. And then the fingerprints. We'll do a fingerprint, sure. Test out this capacitive fingerprint. We'll do a pin, oh no, not pin. Well, yeah, pin. Bunch of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Temporary password for now. And then scan your fingerprint. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and use my middle finger here. So you can see, pretty fast. 53, 56, 60%. Wow, not bad. Get a full scan, yes. Okay, now getting the edges of my, there you go. Fingerprint added, add. Oh, okay. There you go, done. Adding finishing touches. Well, that wasn't too bad on a fingerprint scanner. Pretty cool. What is this? Get recommended apps. What is all this? I'm gonna click on that. Sprint. I don't want any Sprint. No carrier bloat on my device. Sign in to your Samsung account. Skip. Skip, yes, I'm gonna skip on all that for now at least. All done. Click on next before I get started. Now, okay, now this is interesting. Before we get started, okay, avoid pressing hard on the screen in the front camera area, which is right there. Okay, check this out. When you fold the phone, make sure there's nothing inside that could damage the screen. Take note. And this is an important one. Your phone isn't water or dust resistant. Don't allow any liquids or small particles to enter it. All right, so no IP67 or 68 certification on this phone or anything like that, so keep that in mind. Don't attach adhesives such as films or stickers on the main screen. So you do not need to install a screen protector here, all right? And keep your phone away from credit cards, etc. Right there. So I'm gonna go like this. Pause the video if you wanna read that. Done. There we go, your usual Samsung noises and stuff. And here it is, the Galaxy Flip. And we are in. All right, let's go to settings. And what I like to do is just check out what Android we're on. I'm gonna go software information. And then we are on Android 10, One UI version 2.1. And then the patch level here, the security patch is January 1st, 2020. Now there might be a software update. Let's check that real quick. Let's see, system updates right now. And download and install. Is there one? There may or may not be one. Oh, here we go. Software update. There we go. Your Samsung noise again. Oh, it's downloading update. Cool. All right. So I don't know if I actually want to update right now because I want to just play with the phone real quick. So, all right, 2 seconds left. 1 second. All right, update ready to install. We'll do that later. I'm going to just get out of here for now. Back. And let's see, device care. How much storage do we get? I think this is 128 gigs, right? We'll go storage, or 256 gigs, I'm sorry. So out of the box, phone comes with 256 gigs of storage. You got 222 available. So a fair amount of storage, very nice. And then one thing I like to do is, I'm gonna go back again. I prefer my back button on the left side. And the navigation bar, go like this. Button order, that back button on the left side, since I'm left-handed when I use my phones. All right, screen timeout. I'm gonna go ahead and change that to 5 minutes. That's what I like. And here we go. This is the Galaxy Flip, man. Pretty sick, I gotta say. Are flip phones returning? I don't know, maybe, maybe not. I mean, you open this phone up and you have this nice, what is this, a 6.3 inch display or 6.7? I don't know, I forget, but you get, here's the Note 10 Plus. So you get a screen of that size, as you can see. Probably 6.7 inches, right, on the Z Flip. But then when you're done using your phone, it folds down into this form factor, which you can see fits right in the palm of my hand. Let me put this in my pocket real quick. And let's see, oh yeah, in the pocket, it's a much smaller size, much less of a footprint. So definitely easier to carry in the pocket. It does make the phone a little bit thicker though when it's folded up like this. So I'm gonna, compare it to a Note 10 Plus with a case on, all right? It's gonna be a little bit thicker, about actually twice the thickness, right? But overall, it's not as big, right? Compared to the Note 10 Plus. I mean, look at the size of this thing, right? And then this, much more pocketable. Okay, and then you open it again. And then there you go. Test out the fingerprint scanner. Nice and fast. Let's go ahead and test the camera so you can see. All right, so I'm just gonna take a quick shot of whatever I got on my table. Let's see, let's take a picture of the box. There we go, take a picture of that. You can see the flip right there. Boom, I'll put these in the video. And let's see, I happen to have an iPhone here, iPhone 11 Pro Max, along with this pretty cool case on the desk. Go ahead and take a shot of this. Let's see, what else? Note 10 Plus. Take a shot of that. Cool, let me go ahead and test live focus right now. So let's see, what can I use to, here, I'll use the box to kind of test out the background blur. So let's see, I'm gonna do it like this. See if it can blur the background. So I don't know how that came out. I'll put that in the video as well. All right, this is a quick video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip in 4K 30 frames per second. So you can see, here's an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here's a Note 10 Plus. Pretty cool case for the iPhone here, as you can see. All right, just a real quick video. Unfortunately, the Galaxy Z Flip This one I don't think does 8K video. I did not see it in the settings. So if you want 8K, you're gonna have to go S20 on that. But here's the flip box. There we go, a little 4K video footage here on my unboxing desk, unboxing table. So let me know of the quality right now. Also the audio. Let me know in the comments below. All right, late. You could actually use this front screen here also as a viewfinder. So that's pretty cool. If you double tap it, can you double tap it? Yes, you can. See some information there, like your time, battery percentage, etc. So take a look at that. Yep, there you go. Can you scroll? Yep, you can scroll through this. I guess you can access some apps there. And then +4 means, let's see, first time I'm doing this. So what if you click on a +4? Open phone for details. Okay, so you have to open the phone for that. But then here's the little settings icon. Finish setting up. Okay, I don't want to do that right now. So how do you go back? Can you go back using this? Or, okay, so it just kind of goes back by itself. And then I think there's one more. Open. Open. There we go. And then I think that's the software update. Update postponed. Okay, so you can do some functionality here in the little 1-inch or 1.1-inch screen. However, not everything. Obviously, it'll tell you to open the phone if you have to open the phone. So that's pretty cool. I kind of wish that the screen was a little bit bigger, like on the Razr 2020. But, you know, not bad for, you know, a folding phone. Right, this is Samsung's first folding phone of this form factor. Obviously, the Galaxy Fold was more of a tablet. This is more of a compact device. Yeah, man, this feels good. The glass on the outside feels really good. Feels like glass, real glass, like the screen on my, you know, a Note 10 or S20 or S10, right? The inside, yeah, this does not feel like glass to me. This kind of feels like plastic. Let me know in the comments. Do you think folding phones will come back? Because check out this form factor. Very compact. And here it is next to an iPhone. If you're wondering on the size, this is an 11 Pro Max. And then fold it up. This is what you're looking at. Much more compact here. Fits in the palm of my hand. Very nice. I can definitely see how, you know, people will like this form factor. And real quick, because Samsung does like to hide stuff in the box, we'll check this little sleeve out. And then in here, yup, you got more paperwork. What is this? Get most out of your phone, terms and conditions, all the good stuff. And then this is the instructions on how to put on the case, but I don't read instructions, so let's just try to figure this out. All right, now this is just a plastic case. Now on the inside, yeah, there is a little bit of a like pattern here, so you don't get that oily effect on the inside. Yeah, definitely, I can feel it with my finger. Okay, so I guess this, you just snap it on, right? I think. Yes, snaps on just like that. And then let's see, did I got this figured out? I think so, yeah. So there it is, that's the case. Just a simple clear case, just snaps over the phone. And then, so how does that affect usability? It flips open as it should with the case. And then I'm gonna get in here. See the case ends right there just before the fold on the back side. And then that's how the back's gonna look like. No oily effect, because it does have that dot matrix pattern on the inside. And then we'll take a look at the cutout here. There's your cutout for the camera, flash, and also so you can use your exterior monitor screen. Right? Feels pretty good, as if there is no case. It's just a super thin case, so it's not gonna really change the feel of the phone too much. We'll take a look at the front lip, which there's not gonna be any, because this phone does have to close still like that. And then closed with the case. There's a little bit of a gap. You can see my hand right there in the table. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this device. Speed tests, comparisons, etc. versus iPhone 11 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, obviously the Samsung Galaxy S20, which I will have in-house pretty soon, last year's Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, etc. Thanks for watching. Peace out.